Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open the Sharepoint site and sign in with your work or school account. Use the left navigation or waffle menu to open the site. Select Site Contents or choose Pages from the left nav to view site pages. In the Pages Library view, look for the page title you want to remove. Use the search box or sort by modified to find recent pages quickly. Confirm you have edit or full control permissions before continuing to delete any content. Select the page row inside the Pages library and click the ellipsis menu. From the menu, choose Delete to remove the page from the library instantly. A confirmation dialog appears. Click Delete again to proceed with removal. The page then moves to the Site Recycle bin and is not yet permanently deleted. Remember that you need edit or higher permissions to delete a page from the Pages library. Check the page permissions if the delete option is not visible to you. Open the Site Recycle bin from the Gear menu or Site Contents area when you need recovery. Select the deleted page and click Restore to return it to the Pages library. To permanently remove a page, select Delete from the Recycle bin and confirm permanent deletion. Items remain in the Site Recycle bin for up to 93 days before final removal by the system. If not visible, check the Site Collection's second stage Recycle bin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.